ahead and take off this, take off the old double-sided tape and stuff this piece back into there. I already did it on the other side. We're gonna take off the OBX sticker, clean it up a little bit, try to take off the double-sided tape on the quarters. Yeah, this is the other side. That's, you know, the little spots where the OEM visors went. Gotta take off this one. And now I'm gonna cut to me washing it because this junk is dirty. Also, we got these and we got these. They look fresh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a quick update on this. So, yeah, it's just getting body work. A whole big skim coat of mud on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, couldn't find no quarters. Did find the driver quarter, but don't feel like it. Don't feel like it. So, yeah, I'll cut back to this when I'm done. Alright. All cleaned out. Time to clean the outside. Mainly just this roof. I need that fixed before I put on the other one. It's time to wash her. That'll be close enough. We washed this junk. Look how much, look at that pearl. That don't look good. Now we gotta put that piece on right here. Hey fam, take this off this junk for me, cuz. Let's go throw this motherfucker back on. That ain't even too shabby. I'm excited. That color ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. Alright. So I only got one hand. Y'all ready? Hold up. Alright, so couldn't put the freaking visors on because I bought the visors for the wrong cars. Man, alright, so I got my plate, right? And they freaking put the perforated line at the wrong spot. And also the holes. I mean, I can make it work, but at the same time, they'd be like, where's this part? So I don't know what to do. Hey, I didn't even notice. What's good? But yeah, let's hop out of here. Oh yeah, we gotta put the radio in still. I put LED in. Gotta put one in here too. LED everything. And yeah, we lit. She late. So we got these to put on the Civic also. Basically what I did is took them apart, painted them the color of the car, and throw them back in. I'm gonna do them again though. I want to get the clear reflectors, and you can only get them if you get like, you know, new headlights that have the clear reflectors in them. But these OEMs, so they got the amber ones. But it's alright though. Ready? Yo, what's good? It's been a hot ass minute, but so this is the Civic. Just do a quick walk around what we got going on, you know what I'm saying? So we threw a lip on there, we threw the tail lights on there, we painted all that, we paint matched the front lip that I ripped off. I also ripped it off here, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too crazy. What we about to do today is, first, I gotta fix this. So I can roll the fenders. I'm gonna roll the front. I might roll the rears. I don't like rolling the rears simply because I'm lazy. And if I ain't gotta roll something, I won't. But that just is what it is. I won't roll it if I ain't got to. So we got some 15 by 9s, 195 50s, 195 40, my bad. Not gonna use those tires. I know y'all see how dry rotted they are. But just to give y'all a little, this is how it's gonna poke. You know, this ain't lowered or anything. But the wheels are 15 by 9, like a high ass offset. So you have to run the spacer so it won't hit the coilover, but in the front it'll hit the spindle, so you don't want to hit that. I'm gonna roll the rears, well, depending on if I can, which I doubt because of how low the car is. I'm probably just have to heat it up and hammer it because the roller will not fit with how low it is. If I had like my old suspension, like what's on the tag, which is technically like a 2-piece suspension, it'd be fine because when I jack it up, the wheel comes down. So it's not like this where I jack it up, the wheel will stay in the same spot. But yeah, let's go ahead and jack this joint up. So we got lucky. That motherfucker fit. I got motherfucking lucky.
It's because we took the coilover off.
Oh,
Take
that makes
the brake off.
fuck that brake, cuz. Alright, so we got them both rolled. Let me start off with this side first. Both rolled, not the best of course, but I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna smooth it out when I ever get my right wheels and whatnot. So, this side not too shabby. We go to the other side. I just want to say this before, if you ever get your wheels rolled by anybody, and my boy Rick Roll will roll your fenders, front or rear. But if you have existing bodywork, this is what will happen. So basically, we started rolling it, and I noticed real quick because of the heat gun, with, you know, the heat gun shows a lot of stuff already. I seen this starting to pop through. I seen this starting to pop through, and then I don't know if you can kind of see it, but bad body work in this area. Like, I already knew this whole side was painted, but I didn't think it was this bad. So I'm pretty much missing metal from here to here, and then it comes back, and then I'm missing it from here to here. That shit going off. And then I'm missing it from here to somewhere over here. That's where we at. I'm about to lower it, and y'all gonna see what's up with that. Hey, as long as that joint clear, I'm cool with it. It cleared. I'm cool with it. Last time we drive the Civic. Someone might be buying this junk today. Might be the last time y'all see this junk. Let's go. Got a thumbs up from them boys. Last day I got this joint. I mean, you never know. They might not like it. They might not give me what I want. If they don't give me what I want, I gotta let other people, you know what I'm saying?